Hello everyone, my name is Nobin. I've been playing economical game from a long time. You all know that. I've been playing games on the site Focus Bet and I made a lot of amount. You all know. So guys, today I'm going to teach you how to play games like Crash. You all know this is my favorite. This is my favorite game on the site Focus Bet. So guys, let's start. So guys, this is the site Focus Bet. You all know. I have been playing a lot of games on this site. So guys, these are the various games I used to play. This is the game Mine. This is the game Crash, and this is the game Dice. These are the various games I used to play, but my favorite game is Mines, Crash and Dice. So today I'm going to start with our favorite game, our all-time favorite game, Crash. And let's see how big we can make. So guys, this is the amount I'm going to start with. Okay, now I'm putting like 500 at auto stop off. Let's try. Let's put 2. Okay, let's see whether our rocket is going to crash before 2 or it is going to. Fine. So guys, for all the first beginners, who are all the players who are coming in this site for the first time, in this game Crash, this is the rocket. It will go till a certain X and you have to cash out or take your money before the rocket falls. So guys, 500 at auto stop of 2 again. Let's see. It may go. Great. Look, we made a profit of 500, but in the previous round we'll also lose 500. Fine. Next round I'm going to put like maybe 3 this time. Let's see. In some time you will lose, but I'm sure if you play sincerely you will make money and you will be rich. Let's see whether rocket is going to cover 3. Go. Cover at least 3. Fine guys, look, 1500. Great. In this round I'm not sure, so I'm putting like 1.7. Okay, let's try this one. Guys, this is the section where you can see all the players who are playing this game right now. At least 1.7. Not like this. Okay, again, this is easy game, but sometimes I lose money. It happens with everyone, but I recover and I make money also in this game. Look, let's see how high the rocket will go. 3.13. Okay, let's put 2 this time. Okay guys, I'm putting like 500 and let's see if it is going to cross 2x or not. Go. Don't crash before 2. Look, we made money again, and you all know, no need to worry about your amount. Whatever amount you win, it will be updated here, and whenever you need money, just come here and withdraw. Simple process guys, very simple process. Guys, I'm sure each one of you want to make money, and this is the best platform, best platform. Within few seconds I make money, and if you play sincerely for around 10 to 15 minutes, you will withdraw around 5 to 6k every day, and it is a good amount, I'm sure. Let's put 3. I'm putting like 700. I'm not playing big, I'm playing like with a small amount, but let's see. 3. Cover at least 3. It looks like it is going to cross 3. Look guys, 2100. Great guys, today is our day guys, definitely today is our day. I'm going to make lot of money today. 1000 at auto stop of 1.5. Okay, let's try this one, because in the previous 2 rounds the rocket crashed around 3 or 8x. No, not like this. Or maybe, I'm not sure, so I'm putting like 1.2. Okay, let's try this round with a small auto stop. Next round we are going to put our auto stop. In this round I was not sure. Okay, fine. Again 1000 at auto stop of 1.2. Guys, no need to worry. In some round the rocket will crash around 1 or 1.2 or 1.3. So don't lose hope. Look, told you now. Fine. Fine guys, fine. Let's put 1.5. Okay. Let's see whether we are going to recover what we lose. At least 1.5, at least. Great. 500. Let's see. Okay, 2.54. I'm putting now 2. We need to make money. We need money. Go. Cover at least 2. It look like this may. Yes, it will cover. Great guys, going great. Let's put 1500 now. After 2 to 3 rounds when I'm winning continuously, I got greedy and I want more money, and I'm sure each one of you want. Okay, 2. Don't crash before 2. We are playing around 1500. Not like this. Okay, 2 again. Right now we are in loss, but we will recover. Go. No, not like this. Let's put 2000 now at auto stop of 2. Hope for the best. Let's see. Cover at least 2. Don't crash. 1. No guys, we are playing big and we are losing. Worst is going on. Great loss guys, great loss. We need to recover everything. Okay. Cover at least 2 this time. 2. At least 2. Okay. Fine. Let's see. I'm putting let's put 2500 because I need to recover my money guys. The best way to recover your money is if you play with a high amount and small auto stop. 2. Don't crash. Please. Awesome guys, awesome. At least we recovered our money. Now we need to make money. Let's put 2000 again at auto stop of 2. Hope for the best. We need to make money now. Go. Cover 2. Great guys, great. Look, we made profit. In the starting we lose a great amount of money, but finally we are recovering. We recovered and now we are making money. 1500 at auto stop of 2. Let's see. I'm getting a feel like in this round the rocket will go higher. No, not like this. Okay, 1.5. Fine. We need to make money. Don't crash before 1.5. Okay, fine, decent amount. In this round it will go high. At least we are in profit now. Let's see when this rocket is going to crash. Okay, now putting 3. Okay guys, decent amount. Let's try. Please don't crash. No, not like this. Let's put 3000 now at auto stop of 2. Cover at least 2. Please. We need to make money. I know today is my day. Great guys. Look at my profit now. 81,977. I'm happy with this amount. For you guys, last bet 1000 at auto stop of 1.5. Okay. Last round. Don't crash before 1.5. Fine guys, look at our balance. That's all for today. I'm happy with this amount and I'm sure each one of you want to make money. So guys, why are you waiting? Come on this side, focus bet. I made my amount. I made a great earning today and I'm happy with this. So guys, come on this site, focus bet, play games like Mines, Crash, Dice. All games are great. In which games, in whatever game you feel like you can make money, play, and just fine. That's all for today. Bye bye.